Okay, Frank, and I think it's Oscar, was asking about how to get a wait command to decrease. So it starts at a second and it goes down to maybe zero point 0.9, and then it goes down to 0.8, 0.7, 0.6. And what I said was create a variable and then divide a variable by another variable, or number. No, another variable which increases and decreases per loop. And so that's what I've tried to do here. What I've done is I've got Q1. Just have a look at this. Genie LED should go high, progressively speed up. And so if we go back to the flow chart, start, what I've got here is Q1 is going to go high for A seconds, and then it's going to go low for A seconds. Well, what does A equal? Well, A equals B divided by C. So for the first circuit, what you've got is B equals 20, C equals 10, fine. And so A equals 2, yeah? And then C increases by 1, and so it equals a little bit below that. What happens is that it's all fine and everything's happy until A gets to below 1. It cannot go below 1. It just reverts back to 1. So if A in the equation equals 0.8, it will just revert back to 1, and we can see that. Well, it's basically got to be an integer. It can't be a decimal value. If we play on this, I've got my on this. I've got my variable values. So if I just stop that and just come over here, A equals 2, A equals 1, and then it won't go anything below that. So that's our problem. So I've given you the wrong information, basically, in how to get a circuit to speed up or slow down. I think what we're going to do instead is we're going to create a time, for example, 0.5 of a second, and we're going to times it by, 0.1 of a second, and we're going to times it by a variable and put that variable in a loop. So I'm going to do another video just to explain that now, and I'm going to post them both so you can have a look at them and hopefully you'll understand. All right.